He's telling the truth, isn't he?
Well, you know, after being in court
that
all
wasn't
day,
my question. He's telling the truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
Today, we dive into a fiery courtroom showdown between Catherine Williams and her ex-husband, Michael Williams. Catherine is suing for child support, but as the case unfolds, it becomes anything but simple. Prepare for some jaw-dropping revelations.
Okay, Mrs. Williams, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 children together. I have not received any child support from him. Our children go to private school.
3 kids later, and they still need the court to sort out their mess? Seriously, what kind of support is she really looking for?
They play sports, dance lessons, singing lessons. They're very active and it's very expensive. We do share custody and time, but I pay for private school. He pays for health insurance and that's all. I pay for everything.
At least Michael's contributing something. Meanwhile, how exactly is Catherine paying for tuition while spending all her time complaining to the judge?
What money you make to be paying all of that?
I'm an attorney.
Oh, okay.
But I'm used to a certain lifestyle. I mean, I can't even afford to get my nails done, my hair done. It's embarrassing.
You're an
attorney, yes,
and
ma'am.
you can afford tuition, but not to get your nails done.
This doesn't sound like a request for child support. It sounds like she's asking for an allowance. If those are her reasons, maybe she should have just stayed home.
Money's going to the tuition and all of their extracurricular activities. I've been sacrificing the things that I'm used to that I was able to do before when we were still together and we had that combined income. And
sounds like Catherine might be rethinking the whole divorce. Buyer's remorse, anyone?
my money's going to the kids and I don't have any money left for the lifestyle that I've been accustomed to and getting my nails done and my hair and massages and things like that.
It's still not making sense to me, but okay.
This hearing feels more like a therapy session than a legal proceeding. Even the judge seems confused by her vague arguments. No wonder she dragged Michael in. She can't even make sense of her own mess.
Mr. Williams, make this make sense.
You know, although she makes more money, she has an extravagant lifestyle. The hair, the nails, the massage. You know, she didn't tell you about the personal chef or the maid that she has come clean the house every week.
So let's get this straight. She earns more than Michael, yet she dragged him back to court. That's bold, or just plain entitled. Either way, it's blowing up in her face.
So now it's making sense, okay.
And let alone the drinking problem that you have.
Drinking
The
problem.
weekly stops to the liquor store to have a curbside pickup. Come on now.
He's telling the truth.
Did you notice how Catherine's confidence crumbled the second Michael started revealing the facts she left out?
You know, after being in
That
court all
wasn't my
day,
question. He's telling the truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're getting somewhere about...
Boom. The moment Michael exposed those hidden details, Catherine folded. Her deflections, her rambling, like a deer in headlights. With the facts stacked against her, why did she even bring this case?
And you brought him to court
Yes.
for child support.
Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you make?
$70,000 a year. I make $100,000 less than she does.
Wait a second. She earns more than double his income, and she's asking for child support? You've got to be kidding.
But again, I pay for pretty much everything. The only thing he pays for the kids is the health insurance. I pay for everything.
Health insurance is pretty important. You'd agree with me, right?
It is, and I appreciate that. I do.
If she's pulling in that kind of money, what's the point of trying to squeeze more from him? She clearly doesn't need it.
But I don't want to pull my kids from private school or you know, take them out of the things that they love to do because I can't afford it.
Right, and don't say that again because you can afford it.
Maybe she's just tired of spending her own money on her kids and wants to keep it for herself. She even admitted she hasn't had her nails or hair done in ages. Is that what sparked this whole ridiculous claim?
If what he's saying is true, you're getting your nails done, you're going on trips, you're doing all of these other things, you know, especially going to the liquor store. Alcohol is not cheap. You can't afford it. You're just choosing to do something other than what you should be doing, which is taking care of these children.
No wonder the judge snapped. This case was built on shaky logic and selfish motives. What a waste of court time.
How often are you all exchanging the children?
We have them equally, so that'll be 2 weekends a month.
Okay. All right, yep. You came in here to waste my time. I'm not getting ready to play with you.
Let's be honest. The moment Michael revealed her true lifestyle, the verdict was practically written.
I am not going to make him pay you child support when you make $100,000 more than he does. You didn't object when he said you make $100,000 more than him, so he's telling the truth, right? Yeah, what kind of lawyer are you? Never mind.
Whoa.
The judge roasted Catherine. And seriously, how did she not see this outcome coming? Isn't she supposed to be a lawyer?
So this is what we're going to do. I am going to base child support off of what's called an offset, okay? So I'm going to do the child support calculations for the both of you and subtract it. And the difference is going to go to the person who makes more, which is you, all right?
You just know Catherine regrets dragging this into court. She thought she'd walk away with extra cash. Now the joke's on her. She's the one handing over money.
Catherine must have been kicking herself for dragging this to court. She thought she'd squeeze some cash out of Michael, but now, oh, the irony, she's the one who'll have to fork it over to him instead.
Michael's expression said it all. Even with the income gap, she still wanted more. Unreal.
Actually cap out. So your gross is about $12,325.35. Dad, your gross is $5,833.33.
But wait, Michael's not finished. He's got one more bombshell ready to drop, and Catherine won't know what hit her.
Bringing your net to $9,200 for you, $4,664.67 for you. Health insurance, you pay it. How much is it?
It's $100 a month.
Okay, you're going to split that.
This case turned into a complete train wreck, all thanks to Catherine's greed and endless thirst for more.
How many children? 2 children, right?
We have 3 children between us and 4 total.
3 children, 4 total. Who has the other child? Okay. Thank you for telling me that, because that reduces your child support obligation and increases yours.
And just like that, justice was served. Catherine tried to bleed her ex for cash, despite earning far more, and ended up digging her own grave.
This case has turned into a complete disaster for Catherine. And why? All thanks to her greed and insatiable thirst for more cash.
The result? A satisfying dose of courtroom karma. Catherine's baseless lawsuit backfired hard, a reminder that greed always comes at a price.
So, the difference in adding the health insurance, it comes out to $1,533 per month. And Mrs. Williams, that's what you're going to be ordered to pay to him. Any questions about that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.